I know that many of us are struggling with two major problems in our life. One is the problem of ambition. Many of us have big dreams and big goals, but we don't know how to achieve them. We just have this big vision and no clear path on how to get there. The second problem is the problem of laziness. We know what we should do, but we just can't seem to get ourselves to take action. We feel like there's this huge gap between our dreams and our reality, and it feels impossible to cross that gap. But here's the solution. The solution is to focus on the process rather than the outcome. Let me explain. When we set out to achieve a big goal, we tend to fixate on the outcome. We think about all the things that could go wrong and all the obstacles in our way. And this preoccupation with the outcome actually ends up making us less likely to take action. Why? Because when we think about the outcome, we start to feel overwhelmed and anxious. And when we feel overwhelmed and anxious, we get stuck in analysis paralysis, or we just give up entirely. But here's the thing, the only way to achieve our goals is to take action. And action requires focus. So instead of focusing on the outcome, we need to focus on the process. What do we need to do right now, right here, right now? What is the one thing we can do right now that will move us closer to our goal? When we shift our focus from the outcome to the process, we take the pressure off ourselves. We stop thinking about all the things that could go wrong, and we just focus on what we need to do in the moment. This allows us to take action even when we feel overwhelmed or anxious. It allows us to get started even when we don't feel like it. So here's my challenge to you. Whatever your dreams and goals may be, I want you to take one small step towards them today. Just one small step. What is the one thing you can do today that will move you closer to your goal? Do that thing and then do it again tomorrow. Do it again and again until you become the person you want to be. Trust me, once you start taking action, no matter how small, you'll start to see progress. You'll start to believe in yourself again. You'll start to feel motivated and inspired. And before you know it, you'll be living the life of your dreams. Remember, it's not about the outcome. It's about the process. What are you doing right now to get closer to your dreams? Share your thoughts below.